And they're off. Constellation breaks right on top. Lost Raven is right alongside now. Lost Raven will poke ahead in front of the big favorite Constellation. Then it's a little more than a length to Any Day Is My Day in third. And Takriz, the early trailer, in fourth as they head up the backstretch. Lost Raven, the leader here by a length. Constellation runs in second. And then it's Takriz and Any Day Is My Day. First quarter, 23 and 2/5 seconds. Lost Raven on the lead as they go into the far turn. Constellation now moving up just a bit on the outside under Jose Ortiz. It's Lost Raven and Constellation, and now they're right together. They've got 3 lengths on Takriz, and Any Day Is My Day. And now there's a quarter of a mile to the finish. Constellation on the outside and Lost Raven on the inside. Constellation and Lost Raven, and the two of them heads apart for the lead as they come down for the 8th pole. Any Day Is My Day is putting in a late run, and then it's Takriz. Lost Raven has the lead. Constellation drifting out here in the stretch. Lost Raven, Constellation on the outside. Takriz comes through down at the rail now. It's Lost Raven and Takriz, and an upset in the Cicada that goes to Lost Raven. Lost Raven, Takriz, Any Day Is My Day, and Constellation.